Okay, we're gonna fish a private pond today, try a new lure. Show you in a moment. A little foggy to start, but stay tuned. Got one. Third cast. Got a fish. That's not bad. Not very big, but I'll take it. Little guy. It was on a black Senko. Oh, did you bring the walkie-talkies? Okay, we're going to try these Weaver fishing lures. It's new. I'll show you how it works. So you attach it right here. And then the hook comes out. It's like magnetically held in there. Let's just give it a cast. It's a pretty big lure. Give it a cast. I don't feel it wobbling very much. And the hook came out on the cast. That wouldn't work. That didn't work. Well, that time it worked. Yeah, it looks like the hook is staying in. See? And I guess if it bites it, it comes out. Let's give it a try through some weeds. Oh, the bird did it. Oh, the hook stayed in. I'm just pulling a lot of grass. We got you. Ah, nice fish. You got to be here.
Yeah, let's switch over to it. Driftwood.
Oh, I got one. Little guy. Oh man, I keep losing the worms though.
Nice little hog.
Come on. I got one on there. Let's see if I can hold on to it. I don't know. I have no idea. Nope, I don't think so. Here's a little guy. Biggest one yet. Oh, come on, Mario. Biggest one yet. I don't know how big it is though. Well, I'm up to about 10 fish I caught. Caught them all on blue, either black Senko or blue black or June bug Senko, and one on a swim bait. So we'll try again a little more with the swim bait. They seem to be hitting faster moving stuff now. I guess the sun is out, you can see. So we'll see how it goes. This is definitely a fish. This is definitely a fish. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Oh yeah. I think this is number 11. I'll measure this guy up. Yeah, he's hurt. He is definitely... See what we got here. Hopefully I get a fish with both cameras working this time, huh? That's not a big one though. Not a, oh, self-service. That was a dozen, I'm counting it. Got it right to the boat. Switched back to the June bug Senko. Oh, got another one. Got another one. It's 13. Maybe this one I'll get on both cameras. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Ah, no, it's not. It's little. Boy, they're fighting like crazy, though. You know that? I'll show it here. Okay, heading back to the ramp. Been out here almost 4 hours and caught 13, and it was a beautiful day. Holy cow, you can see what the sky looks like, and it's not warm. There's a little bit of a breeze now. They weren't very big, and there weren't a lot of beds either. There were beds, but not like we're used to seeing here. So I don't know what happened to the spawn. They were way more active. Jeff probably caught around the same, and you know, 26 fish I think is good, but we've caught 50, 60 fish here on a single day. But I don't know, maybe the spawn's a little later this year. Who knows? So we'll try to fish a little more by the launch. That's always pretty good. Not very big ones there, but usually quite a few. So if I don't catch any more, this will be it. If not, I'll squeeze a couple more in. Till next time. All right, caught another, last one of the day. Number 14. It's a nice one.